Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make our files easy to find. So we're just going to go to our File Explorer and we're going to bring that up. Under Documents, so we're going to click on Documents and then we're going to right click and we're going to make a new folder. So here, New Folder, and we're going to name that Comp Sci 2025. Okay, that way I'll be able to find your files, you'll be able to find your files. So if we could just make sure that everyone on their computer has the same file name, CompSci 2025, that will make things easier. Okay, so after you do that, you can close out of your Explorer. And now this is the Visual Studio code. All right, yours might look a little bit different, but it will look something like this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go up here to Terminal, and we're going to click on New Terminal. Okay, and that brings up this terminal down here. And the first thing that I want you to do, just to make sure that we have Python, we're not going to use Python yet, but we are going to use Python at some point. So down here in this terminal, we're going to type Python, no capitals, and a 3, no spaces. So it's just Python and then the number 3 and hit enter. If your Python is installed correctly, yours again might look a little bit differently. I've already installed Python on this machine. Um, so yours might run a little program. It'll run the Python and then it'll get to this. So if you get to this with the 3 little, I don't even know what you call these, the 3 little sideways carrots, right? You've installed Python correctly, and this is where you would type some Python code. Again, we're not going to use it right now, but I just want to make sure that we have Python, everyone has Python installed correctly on their computer, and then we'll go from there. So the next thing that I want you to do is we're going to just make an HTML file. So we're going to click on File, and we're going to click on New File. And then this little window pops up here, and we're just going to type in HTML, HTML, and hit Enter. And then we're going to go and we're going to find that folder that we just made. This is my old one. That's not the one that we're looking for. So I'm going to go Documents. I'm going to go down to Computer Science, Comp Sci 2025. I'm going to double click on that. That's where my file is going to be. So I just made it so that's where this file is going to be saved. Personally, I like to click on this little explorer here so that I have that open, and then I'll say Open Folder. And then that way it'll show me all of the things, which is currently nothing in that folder. So, yes, I trust the authors. Okay, so now I'll be able to find my file really easily. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to use this HTML file to go through the Edmentum. So as you're going through Edmentum, I personally think it's beneficial to actually be doing some programming while we're learning about programming. So we're going to do that. So we're going to go through, while we're going through Edmentum, we're going to make our own HTML file so that we can follow along and create something of our own. So if you have any questions, if you've gone through this and you just can't figure that out, let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, we'll figure this thing out. So